3. Alright, with step 1, spread it out with step 2, roll it out with step 3, sprinkle cheese. Step 4, what you need to cook with it is water, but not now. That's step 4, not now. Step 5. Step 5, spread it out again. So step 5 is really easy. Okay, we're done with step 5. Step 6, this is the last one. Knead it. The best way to knead it is, do it with your nails. It doesn't matter if your nails get dirty. If you want to make slime, make it with your nails. It's not going to get that dirty. Just watch it in water. Okay? And then, that's what we're going to do. And there we go. Crack your knuckles.
Here is the finishing. So now guys, it's my turn.
Oh wait, I forgot to tell you this slime. It's already soft, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it next time. But bye, have fun with your slime. But let's aside. Don't make a big of a mess. Okay? Bye. Love you guys.
It's my turn now. I'm gonna show you guys how to moisturize it, and I'm also gonna show you guys how to place it in the container. Because some people just throw it in a container like I don't care about it. No. So we're gonna start off with this green slime right here. Start off with green slime. Oh, by the way, guys, my name is Lena, and I gotta ask Cherry something real quick.
Guys, I forgot to tell you. Lena's gonna show you another way to knead it. You don't have to knead it with your nails if you don't want to get it dirty. This is another clean way. You can knead it with your. I'm not gonna tell you, but she's gonna tell you because I'm not.
Yeah, I gotta tell Cherish.
So I'm not gonna tell you. She's gonna tell you. Have fun. Love you guys.
So another way to knead it and put the lotion in it is very simple. Yeah, Cherish is gonna see you guys again when we're done and stuff like that. So, but guys, at the ending, I want you guys to vote who has the better technique of kneading it. Cherish with her nails or me with a secret. So first, like Cherish, you have to stretch it out. This is my never better slime. No, this is my green leafy slime, right?
Let me see. That's your leaf.
Yeah, this is my green leaf slime. So, how you put the lotion is you put one big squirt of lotion. Put that in there. Now then you just want to spread it all around the slime. It depends what slime you do. Because we made the slime, we used Play-Doh, lotion, and oil. It don't really matter what oil you use, just use oil. This is how we made it. We actually use, with this one, I use clay. With the other ones, I use Play-Doh. So that's why I have these tops and stuff. So now, another way to knead it is you just get into it, like, done with this. Ugh. I'm not using my nails, guys, because I don't really have nails. Just get into it, get it over with. And this is the actual quicker way too. You can do a little bit of that too. And there you go, no more lotion. At the end, I'm gonna show you guys how to pack it up because Cherish is setting something up back there. You wanna say hi again, Cherish?
Hi. Setting nothing up for you guys.
over.
2 days.
Yeah, we have to keep it for 2 days. So, yeah, this is how you need the first